Hi there, and today we're going to have a ClickUp Custom Field tutorial. So here I am in the ClickUp website, and then from here, make sure you already have your ClickUp account. And then we are now going to the ClickUp workspace. So from here, just log in your account, and then here we are in the ClickUp workspace. So from here, if you want to have custom fields, what you can do is that you can just go to your project. So for example, I'm in here in the project 1 project, and then what we're going to do is that we're going to click add a column for us to have custom fields, since the default fields right here are the assignee, due date, and priority. So if you want to add more custom fields, just click the add a column button right here. Then from here, you can have different types of custom fields. You can have create new custom fields right here, and then you can also add existing custom fields. So the existing custom fields are already created right here by default in ClickUp. It's just that they are hidden. So you can go ahead and click on a specific field right here so that you can add them to your task. So for example, let's say I'll add link docs so that you can add link documents right here. Then you can click on that field, and then you can add a document to be added to your task. And then you can also see some other fields right here, like comments, created by, date closed, date created, and so on and so forth. And then you can also see fields in the workspace right here. So here are some other fields that you can add. And if you want to create some custom fields, you can just click create new, and then you can go ahead and choose from the different options from here. You can also use AI fields, and then you can also use suggested fields right here. And then from here, you have your manual custom fields, like you can have like a drop down field, you can have a text field, a date, text area, number, money, and so on and so forth. You can also have formulas, websites, so whatever preference that you need to have for your field. So for example, let's say I'll add like a money field, and then let's say this is like the cost that is spent when doing a task. So we can click create, and it is in US dollars, and then you can go ahead and put the cost right here for doing your tasks right here in ClickUp. So you can add more custom fields right here. So let's say let's add like a progress bar. So we can see it right here. So let me just type in progress, and then let's add this one, the automatic progress bar. And then you can specify what tasks that will be included in the progress bar, then click create. And then for the completed tasks, as you can see, they are in 100%. But for the other tasks right here, what you can do is that you can add some subtasks. So let's say we have subtasks right here. And then when we mark them as complete, it should move our progress bar right here. So for example, like that. And then you can mark this as complete. And then what we can do, we can add more fields. So you can add some text, some dates, some numbers. Like for example, let's add a text. So let's say like this is the description. And then let's say this is and doc to supervisor, for example, like that. So you can add manual text in here, and then it's just up to your preference on what kind of custom fields you will use right here. So just go ahead and explore the different custom fields right here so that you can use them for your project management right here in ClickUp. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.